Good morning, student. Today we are going to see some of the basic concepts of chemistry so that it will be easier for you in 11th class. Student, today we are going to discuss one of the most important concept, mole. So first of all, let us see what is mole. 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of C12 isotope. C12 isotope means you know very well that carbon has 3 isotopes. Isotopes are the substances having the same atomic number but the atomic masses are different. Carbon has 3 isotopes, C12, C13 and C14. So when we are taking C12 isotopes and we are weighing exactly 12 gram, so whatever amount of substance is present, that is equal to 1 mole. That 1 mole is also known as Avogadro number and it is represented by Na. And what is molar mass? The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams called its molar mass. Example, molar mass of water. It is coming 18 gram. How it is coming 18 gram? Because hydrogen 2 atoms are there. So 1 into 2, 2 plus oxygen is having atomic mass 16. 2 plus 16, it will come 18 grams. Likewise, we can also calculate the molar mass of methane, CH4. Carbon is having the atomic mass 12 and hydrogen is having 1. So 12 plus 4 into 1, it will come 16 gram. So the molecular mass is 16 gram. This gram is also denoted by U. This 16U, U means unified mass. Okay, and this unified mass is equivalent to 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram. 1 mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. So 1 mole of the mass can be calculated by the formula given mass in grams upon the molar mass, which is also in gram. And 1 mole is also equivalent to number of particles upon Avogadro number, and 1 mole is also equivalent to given volume upon 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter is the amount of gas at NTP. NTP means normal temperature and pressure. The volume of gas is calculated as 22.4. 1 mole is equivalent to the molar mass in gram. It is equivalent to Avogadro number and its value is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and it is also equivalent to 22.4 liters, which is at NTP. So we can use this equation for solving numericals problem. So here I have given all the formulas which is related to mole concept. Calculate the number of atom in each of the following. Here in this question you have to calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. First is given 32 grams of methane. Second is given 11.2 ml of methane. And third is given 2 mole of methane. This is the question for you. Try to solve this question. We'll discuss this answer in our next video. Thank you so much.